guys, I came to Dublin in September 2023 for my masters in HCI. I did it from University College Dublin, and like after 1 month of arriving in Dublin, I got my first job as a UX designer. So if you want to know how I got my first job in Dublin, let's get started. So when I came here, I made a list of companies which sponsor work visa. So I was just like reaching out and connecting with people on LinkedIn, and randomly messaged someone on LinkedIn. And after talking for a while, she told me that she will be coming to a career fair which is happening in Dublin. So she told me to stop by and ask her like any questions I have. I thought that will be a good idea, as I didn't know what career fair was, because as in India we don't have career fairs. So I was pretty excited about it, and I knew that it's too early for me because I just came here and I have 1 year. Like I just started my course and I have 1 year. So I thought like I will just go for fun and I will see like what's there. I didn't go for an intention that I will get a job. I went to career fair. I talked with like people. There were companies like Facebook, Amazon, SAP, EY, Deloitte. Like there were so many companies. So after talking with everyone and like clearing all my doubts, I went home and I started looking for I started looking on their career page. I saw like few openings, so I applied to couple of them. And like end of the September, I got a mail from EY that my profile has been selected for UX designer and they want me to interview further. Yeah, my first round of interview happened, and then second was in person, and there were two people interviewing me. And after that interview, I knew that I got the job because like if you give an interview, you know that like either you have killed it or like you're not going to select. So I knew that I am going to get a job. So just after completing the final round, like within 2 days, I got a call from EY saying that they got that I got an offer. For people who don't know what career fair is, let me tell you a little about it. So basically, career fair is where like all the companies come to one place and they set up their booth. So from each company, like you can find like 2 to 3 peoples or like 4 peoples. They will be like, so each company will have like different booths, and like all the people will be standing like near their booth, and you can go and you can like ask about their openings, and you can also like get feedback on your resume, and you can also get like freebies, lots of freebies. There will be also a resume clinic, so you can go to the resume clinic and you can like get your resume verified by the industry experts. You can like get feedback on your resume, and they can also like tell you what are the things which are missing and what are the things you should add. So yeah, so this is what happens in career fair. Here are my top tips for you. First, make sure your resume have all the keywords which are mentioned in the job description. As you know that first resume goes through ATS screening, and if your resume will like satisfy their criteria or like their algorithm, then only it will like go to the next step. So make sure that you update your resume every time you apply for a different job. Suppose you are applying for Oracle, so make sure that your resume match all the keywords which are mentioned in the Oracle description. And there are like many websites which can like help you do that, like such as JobScan. Also mention the couple of the same website in the description, so you can go through that. So what you basically have to do is you have to upload your resume, and then you have to copy paste the job description. Then it will compare both of the things, and it will give you the list of all the words which are missing, or like a list of all the keywords which you already used. So this is gonna definitely help you updating your resume with the job descriptions. Always make sure that your resume get at least 80% in the ATS screening. Now coming to the next step, if you are an international student like anywhere in the world, the most important thing for you is work visa. So make list of companies which sponsor work visa in your country. Like I was in Ireland, so I made a list of all the companies which sponsor work visas to students. Once you have made the list of all the companies, what you can do is like try to check their career page frequently, connect with the people who are working in those company on LinkedIn, try to network with like all those people, and keep looking for openings. The next step is keep your portfolio, cover letter and resume always ready. And I've seen that most of the people, they don't upload like cover letter because like it's so much work. But now the ChatGPT is here, so you can just like go to ChatGPT and say, I want to apply for this job, I have all these things, can you please write me a cover letter for X company, and it will give you a cover letter. So it will just take like few minutes. Cover letter is not that important, but suppose if you are a hiring manager, you are getting hundreds of application, and from that 100 just 10 have cover letter, and like 90 of the people doesn't have cover letter. So it will not affect much, but it will like give the good impression that you have went extra mile for that job, and you're really interested in that. So make sure to attach cover letter too. The next step is always do research before going to an interview, and always prepare like all the generic questions which will be asked in the interview. So mostly in the first round of interview they ask like normal questions like, tell me about yourself, why you want to join us, why you left your last company, what is your expectation when you will join our company, what do you want to learn from here, how this company will help you in career growth, like all these basic questions. So always like do enough research about the company you're going to, research about the hiring manager, and research about the person who is interviewing you. This thing will really help you in your interview. Next step is start connecting with the people of the company you want to apply. So as I already said this earlier, I am saying this again, networking is the key. So suppose you are looking to work in Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn. So go on LinkedIn, search for the company name, and then go into the people section and send all the people request with a personalized note saying that, hey, I just joined UCD and I am a master's student, so I'm doing my master's in XYZ and I would have to connect with you. And then they will probably accept your request, and then try to make conversation, like try to get to know those people. So go on LinkedIn, search for the company. So as soon as you will see an opening, you can directly go on LinkedIn and you can message that person. You can say, hey Sarah, I just saw an opening on LinkedIn and it really suits my profile. Can you please refer me to that role, or can you please forward my profile to like concerned person? And they will probably help you. So try to network with as many as people as you can and try to make genuine connection. And my last step is, don't forget to have fun, because you have worked so much hard to come at this place and you have invested so much money for this masters. So go to college daily, meet with people, make friends, have fun, go to parties, go to house parties, and explore all the places, because this is, you're not gonna get this time again. You will get a job, you will get your part-time job, everything will get sorted, but you will not get this time again. So enjoy your college life. I hope you found all this tip helpful. Also, I have created an interview guide, a Notion template, which have like resume guidelines, resume template, cover letter guidelines, cover letter template, referral messages, thank you note, and all the stuff. So if you're interested in that, I will leave the link in the description. You can check that out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, do like it and please subscribe it to my channel. And if you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reply it. And also you can reach me out on LinkedIn and Instagram. I will be linking all those things in the description. Thank you so much for watching.